Hey guys, this is 18-2. Welcome back to another episode of Dan the Demo Man. In the last part, we gained access to the dungeon and defeated some of the Old One's army. And so, I have my one and only infinitely reusable explosive. Well, I mean, aside from the 2 upgrades to it. So I've been grinding in the dungeon, not for any particular dungeon drops, because there aren't really any particular ones I want beyond gold keys for chests and stuff that comes in hard mode. Since I already have a Nazar. At least I think I have a Nazar. Rather, I think I had a Nazar before, but I did get another one since I started building it. Actually, I got the Nazar before this was completely constructed, which was neat. So yeah. Got my regeneration. Got banners. I am so close to getting the Cursed Skull banner, which will help so much, because these are so annoying. Yes! Yes! I got the banner. I got the banner. I need to hang the banner up. There we go. There we go. Oh, so much better when they take twice as much damage. Alright, I'm gonna regen a bit. I'm gonna do a little bit of dungeon exploring. Oh, off camera, my map crashed, so I was really worried I was gonna have to re-explore literally everything. Fortunately, I didn't need to do that. I just had to... I just had to get lucky eventually. Come on. Oh, right. I didn't actually say what I'm actually grinding for. I'm grinding for presents because it is Christmas time in Terraria. So, I've gotten 33 presents so far. There are a couple items I really want to get. Even though they, focus. Anyway, focus. Oh my word, I am going to die because I'm an idiot. Anyway, yeah, there are a couple items I want from the presents. Come on, I just need it cleared out enough that I can do... Oh, nice, thank you. There we go, I got a shadow key. I don't remember if I had one before or not, but I definitely have one now. So, the goal of this episode is to explore the underworld, because I don't need to give a reason. Oh, Crimson Chest. Sweet. Yeah, I'm getting really lucky with finding all this stuff that quickly, as quickly as I am. Love the grand design. And while the wire overlay might be annoying for some people, I'm keeping it because it minimizes my chances of dying horribly to a trap. Alright. Oh shoot, that's a blasted spikes. Die. Another gold chest. Got the Muramasa. Which is alright, I guess. Oh, right. Quick stack. Deposit all. Harvest. So here's the ice chest. There's not a water candle here. And actually, water candle is the only improvement I intend to make to my dungeon grinding spot until hard mode. Although I am going to need to make a dungeon fishing spot where I can get dungeon crates, which, come to think of it, I don't need, because I have the only dungeon chest item that I can really use. Ouch! Oh! My well-fed buff, I didn't reapply my well-fed buff. It's only the most important thing to remember in expert mode. Since it, you know, gives you health gives you basic health regeneration and some good defense. I don't know if that's a trap or not. Oh, am I out of gold? I'm not out of gold keys. I just put them in the safe. Because I am brilliant like that. And I want those to be in there as well. Do it all. Grab that. Another gold chest. Nazar. Get the cursed immunity. Face tank everything for no reason. Tally. Wait, I already have a tally. Right, I spent a lot of time just trying to get my tally back. Alright. See, where do I still have to explore in the dungeon? I think I have fully explored the dungeon. Unless I wind up with, no, because the dungeon is all, or at least every time I've done it, is entirely accessible. Once you're in, you can get everywhere in it. Which means that, oh wait, I haven't gone this way yet. I should also heal. Yep, now I've been everywhere. I may harvest some decorations at some point in the future. Oh, right. My Nazar's back on. So I don't have my incredible jumping skills. Let's see. Yep, that's just caverns. That's a bathtub. Yeah, I think. Oh, wait, here's a dark spot, which means I haven't completely explored this way. No, that's caverns. Thank you for lighting that up, Darkcaster. Dungeon slime doesn't matter anymore. Let's just do some quick regeneration. Yeah. Oh, wait. Nope. Nope. I have a spot over there I haven't explored. So I'm going to finish exploring the dungeon. And then, you know, I should have put on my crimson armor for that. If I'm trying to regenerate. Especially since I'm not actually using my grenades right now. I should get my helmet out of the safe. I also want that out of there. There we go. Oh, that's weird. Let's see. This gives... I think it has melee speed. Come on. Oh, a gold chest I missed. Alright, got that. Yeah, I've got a little bit over there. Another bewitching table, which doesn't really matter. Oh, I died? I mean, of course I died. I've died a lot. Incidentally, any suggestions on what kind of grave site or mausoleum I should make? Comment down below, and I will select the best option that I find, or see, rather. Have I explored it all yet? And also, am I right? Damage boost, damage boost, damage boost. No, I'm completely wrong. Alright, so now I've definitely explored everywhere. What on earth is going on there? Anyway. Quick inventory sort, and then I'll be right back with you. Alright, that quick sort is, is done now. Whoop, sorry. Now it's done. And, yeah, I don't think I did this on camera. I built a house for the mechanic out of the gold bricks that I've been harvesting from jungle shrines, and I decided to use electric lighting. And I learned a few things. One, I've never used these lights. They're neat. You have a wire type connected to it. That was not the bug net. And when you flip a switch, it toggles. And it lights up one of those four corners. They all look really neat. If I had... if I made it a little bigger, I was originally planning on having a complete one in the middle, but it just didn't work out. So I threw in two of those lights and toggled them on. And I learned that after removing the the wires, they stay toggled. Oh, also, off camera, I'm not actually going to be using this terrible pickaxe, but I got a legendary bone pickaxe from Undead Miners. And I still don't have the other two parts of the miner's armor. Yeah. Oh, wow, I may have used a few honey fins. Come on. Healing potions. Grenades. Wait, no. No. Because also off camera, I almost filled up a grenade chest so that I can easily restock my grenades without having to purchase them every time. I had originally filled this. As I said, I was doing some present grinding and I used a lot. So, let's open up these presents. Alright, so I got coal, which can't be placed, can't be used, so it's pretty worthless. I got candy cane and green candy cane blocks. I got a fruitcake chakram. Yeah! Here is the item I wanted, the toolbox. That was the most important thing for me out of the presents. Because increasing the building range is just great as far as I'm concerned. So, I have increased range with the Architect Gizmo Pack. Then I can combine that with the toolbox, tool belt. There you go, toolbox and spike. Toolbox and tool belt. So, I am curious, how far can I reach with all that? Equip those and this. I fix it. So how far away can I place a torch? Alright, we're gonna do it this way. So from here, with no... Let's do it from here so I can just do it on the ground. From here, I can place it to there. With the toolbox, I get one farther. With the tool belt, I also get one farther. With the Gizmo Pack, I get 1, 2, 3 farther. So here, I get 4. So I have a placement range of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. I have a total of, what did I say? 6. Total of 6. I took away my jumping accessories. A placement range of 6 instead of, what did I say? 4? No. Whatever I said, I had done I was just there with the math. I got pine tree blocks. I got a candy cane sword. Great, 16 melee damage. It's weaker than my hammer. So, I got eggnog, I got gingerbread cookie, I got a sugar cookie, I got Christmas pudding. Eggnog it restores life, but not as good as a honey fin. the other 3 give, well, fed, but I have so many fish that I'm not concerned about that. I don't really want to just throw these away or sell them. Mostly just because I like them. They look nice. Coal, I think I'll wind up selling. And I'll decorate my base for the holidays. Yay! It's decorated. Oh, and the other fun one I got. Star Anise! It's a shuriken that can't be recovered. And I think it does a little more damage. But I can sell those. Coal is worthless. Sell all those. And I got a dog whistle. I can have a puppy. Puppy. Oh, it's so cute. I'm still using the dinosaur though. Anyway, we are going to finally tackle the underworld. And I'm realizing now I am forgetting something very, very important. No prizes for guessing what I was about to forget. It was my obsidian skin potions. So that I can mine up hellstone. Which, honestly, is not all that useful. Present slime, present slime, present slime. Is not all that useful. With the exception of making what's it called? Hellfire arrows. Wrong elevator. Technically that one's not a elevator, it's a cavern vader. No. Technically, yeah, that's underground, so the other one gets it to the cavern. My cavern fishing spot. I'm just gonna keep missing. And here's the elevator proper. Which does have one slight issue. Oh, never mind, no it doesn't. I just have to remember to... There we go. Yeah, I've died doing that. Alright. And I am going to be harvesting, in addition to harvesting hellstone, off camera mostly, I'm going to be harvesting these buildings so that they don't get in the way when I fight Wall of Flesh. Which, if we're lucky, and by we I mean if you're lucky and I'm unlucky, I might be fighting Wall of Flesh this episode. Not winning, not even remotely close to winning, but I may wind up fighting it thanks to just poor timing with a voodoo demon. I don't actually need to be focusing this hard right now, do I? Maybe I do need to be focusing hard. Oh, let's grab some hellstone. Some easy-to-reach hellstone while I'm here. I don't know if the Hellforge sells. Anyway, we are looking for... Where was that safe spot? Arg. I am a bit of a dolt. I didn't empty out the safe. I need that, I need that. I think the rest and that. The rest can all go in there. I am kind of a forgetful person. And by kind of, I mean I have been really forgetful. Especially lately. It's, oh, darn. Well, I'm getting obsidian brick wall, too, which I can turn into obsidian brick. But not obsidian. Oh, come on. So to be fair, converting all this stuff into obsidian bricks is a good way to just get extra blocks. And as you saw, it doesn't take that long. Alright. I got a demon here to deal with. I forgot my well-fed buff again, didn't I? That's a rhetorical question, I know I did. Oh shoot, I turned on my obsidian skin. Which means I guess I may as well do a small hellstone mining operation while I have it active. Alright. Actually, this is a pretty decent spot for hellstone mining. Looking at it. I still haven't found a lava charm, which I really like. On my main Terraria character, he wears the lava waders almost constantly. Simply because I keep forgetting about it otherwise. But when you get the lava waders along with another lava charm, I mean you have to find 2 lava charms, but it gives you 14 seconds of lava immunity, which may not sound like much, but you'd be surprised what you can get done in 14 seconds. Or you might not be surprised. I was surprised, at least. Come on. Reverse shark. Although, again, I'm getting quite a bit of hellstone thanks to this error. And I guess now I'm just going up here. For now. Anyway. As opposed to going up here forever. Yeah, sometimes I really should think before I speak. Other times, I definitely need to think before I speak. There is no middle ground. I have a Sun Fury! Ha! Ha! It's not explosive, so I can't use it. I got some hellstone here. How much hellstone do I have right now? I have 117 hellstone. Oh, right, lava slimes are something I'm gonna have to remember. Since, as I recall, in expert mode, yeah, they generate lava. So I have to be extra. So I have to be careful in my Wall of Flesh arena to make sure that I have a place for lava to flow down, so that I don't need to have obsidian potions on me for the Wall of Flesh fight. I have a lot of money. I should quick stack. Hello. Oop. My obsidian skin wore off, and I didn't notice. Because why would I notice? Have I put on my... Yes, I put on my well-fed buff. Okay, I got another gold, which is nice. Oh, hang on, no, never mind, never mind. Alright, I'm gonna check for any shadow chest. Nope. Alright, so I'm gonna head back, do some inventory sorting, and I'll see you after.